Millions of people pay for AI tools every month, with no idea free alternatives like ChatGPT and Claude exist. By the end of this video, you'll discover the top AI tools that can transform your productivity and creativity, completely free, no credit card. But I've got a surprise in store for you. The most powerful tool I'll be sharing is saved for last, so keep watching to find out which one will revolutionize your workflow. First up, ChatGPT is a conversational AI that can generate human-like text, and a great use case is using it to draft emails or messages, saving you time and effort. A quick tip is to use the role feature to specify the tone and style you want the AI to adopt. Next, Claude is another AI chatbot that excels at answering complex questions and providing in-depth explanations, making it perfect for research or learning new topics. For example, you can use Claude to get a detailed explanation of a technical concept, and a quick tip is to use the follow-up feature to ask additional questions and delve deeper into the topic. Number 3 is Midjourney, a text-to-image model that can create stunning visuals from simple text prompts, and a great use case is using it to generate concept art or designs for your projects. A quick tip is to use specific keywords and adjectives to guide the AI's generation process. Here is a powerful one, DALL-E, another text-to-image model that can produce highly realistic images, and a great use case is using it to create social media graphics or advertisements. For instance, you can use DALL-E to generate a realistic image of a product or scene, and a quick tip is to use the variation feature to generate multiple versions of the same image. Next, Canva is a design tool that integrates AI-powered features, such as automatic graphic design and content creation, making it perfect for non-designers who want to create professional-looking materials. A quick tip is to use the Magic Write feature to generate blog posts or articles from simple prompts. Then, there's Notion AI, a note-taking and organization tool that uses AI to help you structure and summarize your notes, and a great use case is using it to create a knowledge base or wiki. For example, you can use Notion AI to generate a summary of a long article or document, and a quick tip is to use the link feature to connect related notes and ideas. We also have 11 Labs, an AI-powered voiceover tool that can generate realistic voiceovers from text prompts, and a great use case is using it to create audiobooks or podcasts. A quick tip is to use the style feature to adjust the tone and pace of the voiceover. Runway is another AI tool that allows you to edit and generate videos using simple text prompts, and a great use case is using it to create explainer videos or social media clips. For instance, you can use Runway to generate a video from a script, and a quick tip is to use the template feature to customize the video's style and format. But I saved the best for last. Perplexity is an AI research tool that can help you find and summarize complex information from multiple sources, and a great use case is using it to research topics for your projects or business. A quick tip is to use the question feature to ask specific questions and get detailed answers. In recap, we've covered ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, DALL-E, Canva, Notion AI, 11 Labs, Runway, and Perplexity, each with its unique features and use cases. To stay up to date with the latest AI tools and trends, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, as this is part 2 of the ChatGPT Mastery series. Subscribe now to catch part 3 and take your productivity and creativity to the next level.